so much.
What are you talking about?
Amanda.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Oh my god, you're not kidding.
I've loved you. And I always want to love you.
That's how you talk to my dad! Oh my god, you are kidding me! Yes, I'm married. Oh my gosh, you have to put it on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you know?
No.
No, we didn't
know.
know.
Oh my god.
We didn't know a thing.
Look at that. Oh my god. He told me, he's like, I stopped by and saw your dad and asked him about a motorcycle. You liar. Oh my god, you picked that up all by yourself. You did so good. You were so nervous.
What are you talking about?
Oh my god. I cannot believe
You stop recording.
Oh my god. So who knew? Is that your parents?
Yeah?
So my parents know.
Yeah.
Who else knows?
Just a couple people.
Like who?
I don't know.
Liar. Who?